Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I know you're anxiously awaiting a Bel Air update video, but don't worry, it's in the works. So in the meantime, as a property owner, we have to do property owner adult things. It's gonna start today with cutting down this tree with a chainsaw that I got from Northern Tool that's battery powered and also small. I'm just kidding. We're not gonna cut down this tree, but we are gonna see what else needs to be cut down. And I just think that y'all should go along with me for some house chores because I think y'all need to see that I'm a normal person and I do my own yard work. And Evan helps too. He just is behind the camera sometimes. And it's either, honey, do I help or put the camera down? Help or keep the camera rolling. Let's go. My aspirations for the yard this year are gonna be to plant more plants. Mom is coming, mother-in-law, Evan's mom's coming next week. And so we're gonna take the week off from work and shop and stuff and just kind of work on the property some more. So of course, cutting everything down that needs to come down, needs to do that today. And we're gonna be planting things on the property pretty much the whole week that she's here. We do have all of this stuff. We've already started the cleanup on this. Now we gotta finish it. This is what it's like to have land in Tennessee. You're just doing yard work all year long, even in the winter. Okay, this is the other tree that's gotta come down. It got struck by lightning probably like a month before I bought this place. And so it's just been chilling. And every once in a while, a storm will knock down all these limbs. So there's a bunch of this kind of stuff laying around that we need to cut up and get ready to start a fire. I love Tennessee because here you can burn anything and everything you want. You do have to get a burn permit, of course, which is very easy. All you have to do is just go online and let them know that you're burning. Who knew? Motorcycles! Come back, friends! Come back, friends! Can we burn today? We can burn today. So we're gonna burn all these leaves, burn all these sticks, and weedy and mow. Let's do it. Safety first. Let's go. Give it to the sticks. I don't know what that means. My hair is a hazard, so I'm gonna have to do something else with it. I'm not cutting it. It means too much to me. And I hide behind it. Look, that's the old chainsaw. Pile of garbage. So, we got a new chainsaw from Northern Tool over here. Finished cutting down this brush that I signed up to cut down. I'm pretty impressed with this thing. This is a Klutch brushless medium duty chainsaw. I'm kind of a tiny gal, so I like things that are tiny but mighty. This thing actually rocks. And we've been kind of already doing house chores for quite some time. We got a lot of these leaves cleaned up, scrap alleys cleaned up now. So now we gotta do this. I love these trees though. Look at the little flowers. They bloom. Aren't those beautiful? They look like little palms. All right. Okay, you know, I just got a little red wagon. Let's go get it to put this in. I'll be right back. This is my favorite thrift find. I actually found this at Goodwill. When they set it out, I fought an old man for it. I won. Ow. Okay. Look, we got one corner cleaned up. Only that much more to go. At this rate, I'm gonna be here 10 years. Remember whenever I said we burn all year long? This is it. It's working. All right. Keep moving. I feel like a man. Why did I sign up to be a homeowner? There's so much work. Man, keep going, because we're not a little you know? Look, I made a small dent. And I only have a mile left. Okay, let's go clean up our mess and start a burn pile. You know what I don't understand about myself? Why I like physically demanding work. I didn't ask to do physically demanding work. It's just something that has to be done, you know? Okay. Like after this, every load, we should take a donut break. This is my gym. Y'all wanna know what my workout routine is? I just wanna be a princess! Okay. All right, do you think I can keep this all together? Okay, let's see if this is a good idea. Don't fall. I think I like the wheelbarrow better. It carried most of it over here. I only dropped a little bit. Okay, let's start a pile. There used to be a sump here, and it only took us all winter long to burn it down. It finally burned down. So now, who's pulling in our driveway? Oh, post office. I swear, growing up my whole life, the mail didn't run on Sundays. Since when did it start running on Sundays? I swear, I know that's gotta be a normal thing, right? Or is it just in Tennessee it runs on Sundays and not in Texas? I don't know. But that's the mailman. It's Sunday. Let's go. Pick up all my little droppings. I feel like I'm Easter egg hunting. Look, I found an Easter egg! Ooh. Okay. Okay, this thing rocks, as you can tell. We got a lot done today. We still have daylight to burn, so we're gonna get some more done. So I'm gonna light this fire, and we'll see y'all in the next video, which I promise will be a Bel Air video, so stay tuned.
We have upgraded our yard care game. All you need in Tennessee is a burn permit. And you can do this all you want.